Hello guys, I will be working on this HP laptop, which is the model number is HP 15-DA0361TU. So they've been to another shop and they couldn't fix it, and they took it like this from there and bring it down here. So we have got the power supply, we have got the DC jack here. So what I'm gonna do, I will just remove this. We don't need this here, and remove this as well. And first thing first, we can just simply check the power rails. And take it from there. And so this will plug in here. Okay. Oh yeah, that's on, and I should get light here, but no light. Okay, let's start from here. All good, we got 19 here. And we have got some diodes here. Let me now go back to microscope. All good, 19 here. And I don't see power resistor here. If we go back, you see the MOSFET. Move here. All good. All good. I was thinking a easy repair, but it's not turning out to be easy. Because do you see this? Nothing wrong. Both of these inline MOSFETs. Okay, that's better. Let's check some power rails. Nothing on both of these. Nothing here. Then where is those 19 volts are going? Nothing here. None of these power rails. Let's check here. There we got only 3 volt line is working, and that's not 3.3, that's just 3. Rest 1.5, 5 volt, 19 volt. Okay, now we will this off and just examine the board. The board itself looks pretty clean. Alright. Okay, so do you see? It came out. I think that's the power unit. This is real tech. Do you see? ALC3247. Let's go closer. I think that's a 5 volt, 1.5 volt power supply, isn't it? All burnt from here. Anyway, so we find something. Let's keep looking. So whole board is cleaning, and that came out from nowhere. Is this also burnt? Is it burnt or just the mark? Fuck. Is it burnt? Okay, we will address this later. Looks like burnt. See? Yeah, it's also gone. See, it looks like a hole. It, you know, when it's burnt, its ceramic is. See how this is coming out easily. it's a hole, man. Anyway, what else is burnt on this one? Anyway, so now the first thing which is to address first is ALC3247. Okay. Let's find out what is it. ALC3247. Okay, so this is the data sheet for 3247. As you can see, it's 2.5 and 3.3 volt bus switch. So if this is burnt, you're not gonna get 1.5, 2.5 or 3.3 volt line. So anyway, let's come back here and replace it. Nothing is easy for me. Do you see that pad? Now I have to jump wire, or let's see how we can do it. I know how to do it. That burnt pad is not too bad. Okay, now the next thing is should have tested this before, but anyway. This one here. Yeah, it's connected to this cap here. I'm good. I'm gonna tint it a little bit. Oh, that's the wrong one or right one? Yep, that's enough. Just checking ACL3247. All good. Oh, can you see? Yeah, that's done. So I know I should have made that pad and just leave it there, but anyway I don't want to take it off now, so I'm gonna do it this way. So this is a copper wire, and what I have done, I have scratched it a little bit so that it can sit inside like this here. Do you see? Okay, so I'm gonna so that heat is going in as well, of course. So let's now move it this way. Is it connected here? Right. So what should I hold it with? This one, because I don't want to put pressure here. So I will hold it like this, and then oh come on, just bend here like this. Yep, that's it. Oh, I don't want it to move. I'll address this later, but do you see? Okay, I will hold it here. Yeah, that's right. And just here. Here is okay. All right, now I have to address this one there. Yeah, it looks solid. Should be okay. I hope you must be laughing at my this mistake, but anyway, we will see how it goes. End of the day, we can just take it out and put another one. Yep, that's done. Okay. What do you think? Should be okay? I don't know, but we will see how it goes. So the next thing is I have to check that diode, take it out, and maybe take one from the donor board. Okay. I've gave it a little bit more clean, and it looks like, do you see here? It looks like it's intact. See? Here. But anyway, now we're gonna address the other diode. So what if after doing all this it came out to be processor? This is the problem with electronics repair. Maybe you spend sometimes hours and the result is zero, and you cannot charge customer. Whereas if you go to see a doctor, doesn't matter if his prescription and medicine is cure you or not, the doctor will still charge his fees. But in What sort of repairs? You only get paid when it's fixed. Doesn't matter how much time you spend on it. Oh, come on, man. Come out. Oh, no. Where it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna hold it tight now. Good boy. Okay. Let's cool it down a little bit and we will check it. Okay guys, so let's check. I hope charger is on. Yes, but no light here. No light means it's not fixed. Let's check the power here of our multimeter is working. Let's check under the microscope. Yeah, we got 19 here. So looks like situation is the same. I would like to check here if any change here. See, nothing, no volt at all. It's the same situation. So now guys, the situation is this sort of burn. I don't want to spend any more time on it because I have got more work in the queue. So first of all, not all the electronics are repairable. If you are repairing something and few you couldn't fix, so don't give up, keep trying. This is how you learn. And you know, this sort of burn, there are layers, PCB layers. So we don't know if there is any layer which is because of this spark is burnt and these are not communicating with each other. So I have no time more to spend on it. Unfortunately, this is not fixable for me. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.